on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making French toast muffins. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 7 slices of bread, and you want to go ahead and cube them. We're going to need Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray, 1.5 cups of milk, 4 eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and for our cinnamon sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You can set your ovens to 320 degrees. So now we're going to make our cinnamon sugar first. We're just going to add our ground cinnamon into our sugar. You want to mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you can set it to the side. Now to a bowl, we're going to add in our milk. Our vanilla extract. Our 4 eggs. And also our sugar. And we're just going to whisk it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, we're going to pour it into our bread pieces. Now you want to go in with your hand, and we're just going to mix it until it's well combined and all of the pieces of bread are coated in it. Once your bread is well coated, set it to the side. Next, you want to spray your muffin tin. I'm going to be using a large muffin tin. If you use the regular ones, you're going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. And with the large ones, it's going to be for 30 to 35 minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab some of our bread. We're going to put it on the bottom of our muffin tin. Now we're going to take some of our cinnamon sugar, and we're just going to sprinkle it over top of our bread. Now we're going to add some more of our bread over top. Okay, once you're done, we're going to add the remainder of our cinnamon sugar over top. Okay guys, remember our oven is at 320 degrees. If you're using a larger muffin tin, you're going to bake them for 30 to 35 minutes. Then if you're using a standard size muffin tin, you're going to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, our French toast muffins are now done. I'm going to let them cool off just a bit before I remove them. Okay guys, look how nice these came out. You can get some syrup and put them on the side. These are nice and crispy on the top and nice and soft and fluffy on the inside. So like I said, you can go ahead and pour you some syrup over top. Look at that. Guys, these are so good. I wanted to show you. You can see the layer of the cinnamon sugar through there. Like I said, it's nice and soft. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, Please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?